Hey Wikzok Family, today I'm gonna share with you guys 7 step-by-step process to make money out of YouTube videos. But you don't need to show your face. You just need to know these AI tools that would help you generate YouTube videos.
Go to ChatGPT, do some research, go to command permit and give command. As a YouTube channel analyzer and expert, give me ideas about trending YouTube channel ideas. I start gaining views. Choose wisely in which niche you can work in. Do some research and it will give you keywords and topics to base your YouTube channel. Generate 50 YouTube video ideas about your niche. As you can see how amazingly AI generated ideas about the video topics. Now you can generate 50 days action plan. You can generate 50 content ideas, and how amazingly and surprisingly AI has been generated 50 topic ideas. Create digital content is like magic nowadays. Select idea and start generating video script. As we all know, ChatGPT don't give you real-time search results, so you can copy the ideas from ChatGPT and with the help of Google Bard AI write a video script. So now we're gonna paste these ideas to Google Bard AI. Oh my god, this is pretty insane that how Bard AI generated real-time results with the help of AI and also generated links of gadgets from where we can buy it. This is pretty insane and this is future of technology. After generating script, you can go to 11labs.io from where you can generate voiceover from script. You can also use any other text into voice generator, but I will suggest you to grab a mic and voice over your videos by yourself because these tools are not always free. You have to work a little bit. AI is getting stronger day by day. From invideo.io, you can generate video from script. It automatically adds voiceover. It uses iStock images, so you can go to gallery and can use your own media to add it into your video. Now you can go to vidIQ, and with the help of artificial intelligence content generator, you can generate YouTube video title, description, tags, and even thumbnail for free. And you can copy these keywords and paste it into YouTube title, description, and tags. You can get daily ideas from vidIQ artificial intelligence. You can use Canva for free for generating your thumbnail. You just need to type in the idea and title of your video, and it has so many creative thumbnails you can use for your videos. There are so many free templates there. So what are you waiting for?
And you can use these videos for your YouTube channel and make money out of it. You need to stay determined because many YouTubers shut down their channels within a year. Why? Because they don't research, because they don't put effort. You need to put effort at least 1 year to get the results. But these results will pay you out for rest of your life. You just need to put this in your mind and work smartly, efficiently, and always research what you are going to make. You need to repeat this process to get the results. Upload at least 50 to 100 videos so you can see your growth, because nobody can get rich overnight, but staying consistent will help you out make money. So if somebody tell you that you can make money overnight, that is guarantee that he is lying or just selling out his or her content. So don't forget to subscribe and stay tuned. I will let you know more ideas to make money online.